This is a homemade cell incubator made out of the cases of 2 power supplies using 2 nichrome wires at 1 amp at 12 volts, so 12 watts apiece, so 24 total watts of heating power. That's red silicon there so it doesn't melt. Inside we have the rack here, hand brazed out of steel wire. This provides up to 4 homemade petri dish locations. Below it there is a dish of water with a sponge in it. This provides humidity. The sponge provides large surface area, so we get lots of nice water, and then capillary action sucks up remaining water there. Inside there we have a fan on the opposite side of where it normally goes in the power supply. And the fan input is just to keep air circulating and possibly cool it down. It is filtered here by just a coffee filter, so we don't introduce bad things into there. And down here we can open up this one and replace the water as needed without exposing the whole area. Once samples are placed onto the lid there, we add the heating element lid on top easily. It slides on normally, and then as long as we make sure the wires are in place, then it's sealed and ready to go. All we do is we simply screw it on the top holes here, and it is ready to incubate. Here are the homemade petri dishes made from foil cupcake cans, gelatin, because I can't obtain agar, sugar, and beef cubes for protein for growing them. We have a control, we have a yeast control, toilet test, and a fish tank test of the algae and other stuff growing on the sides of the tank. Here we have the 4 petri dishes in the incubator ready to go, along with the thermometer that we use to track it. That is a standard thermocouple plugged into a wireless base and receiver. Now the incubator is set. As we peep in the inside, we see the 4 petri dishes inside, the heating coils up there. The incubator is ready to go. With a little extra tape and the thermometer inserted, the incubator is all set up and ready. If we take a peek inside, you see the heating coils are going nicely. Now that the temperature is up to 100 degrees F or 37 C, we turn down the heating element to keep it at a constant temperature throughout the night.